from the entrance, guys, meron silang pa soft drinks and coffee. And they also have a mini bakery. Cheesecake po. Punta tayo dun sa lobby ngayon ng Holiday Inn and Suites. Sakay lang tayo ng elevator. Morning. Morning. Hey guys, ito yung pinakalabi ng Holiday Inn Hotel. Tsaka may coffee shop sila. Ayan. Punta tayo sa breakfast buffet nila, guys. Ito yung lobby nila. Ang laki, guys. Ito yung breakfast area. Tingnan natin yung buffet nila, guys. Okay, guys. Ito yung bacon nila. Scrambled egg. Oh, the pastries. Hi guys, a quick tour in our room here in Holiday Inn and Suites in Makati. So ito yung bed namin. It's a king size bed. Malaki siya. May study table pa siya. May TV. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung view sa labas. Ayan, puro building. Thank you guys for watching.